Yes, so now we can discuss about another fact, that is flexible working can boost Indian economy by 141%, claims study. Flexible working may add $376 billion annually to Indian economy by 2030. A study conducted tracking 16 nations, including India, has claimed flexible working could contribute USD $376 billion, that is a $1 billion annually to the Indian economy by 2030. As a shared office spaces helps corporates to save cost and boost employee productivity, says a study. This is the information regarding flexible working. So almost all companies are preferring work from home by this effect only. They can give flexible working. Work from home means they will give the task, but not the um, time also will be there. According to the time, task will be there. But when they are doing, how they are doing, and the flexible working hours is there. This is an advantage to IT engineers.